Let's talk about digital and precision agriculture, revolutionizing farming for the future. Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of digital and precision agriculture, a rapidly growing movement that's transforming how we produce food. If you're passionate about sustainable farming or just curious about the latest tech in agriculture, this video is for you. What is digital and precision agriculture? Digital and precision agriculture refers to the use of advanced technologies to monitor, manage, and optimize agricultural practices. These technologies help farmers make more informed decisions, leading to higher yields, reduced waste, and better resource management. Key components include 1. IoT, Internet of Things, devices. Sensors that collect real-time data on soil moisture, nutrient levels, and weather conditions. 2. Drones and satellites, for aerial imaging and crop health monitoring. 3. GPS and GIS technology, enabling precise field mapping and variable rate applications. 4. Big data and analytics, helping farmers interpret data and make predictive decisions. Benefits of digital and precision agriculture. 1. Increased efficiency. Automating tasks and using data-driven insights reduces manual labor and optimizes the use of inputs like water, fertilizers, and pesticides. 2. Higher yields. By closely monitoring plant health and adjusting care practices, farmers can prevent crop diseases, improve plant growth, and boost overall productivity. 3. Sustainability. Precision techniques reduce chemical runoff and soil erosion, promoting long-term environmental health. 4. Cost-effectiveness. Though the initial investment might be high, the long-term savings on resources and increased profits make the technology worthwhile. Real-world examples. 1. Australia. Farmers use sensors and mobile apps to track livestock health and water availability. 2. United States. Drones survey large fields to identify pest infestations or nutrient deficiencies, allowing targeted treatments. 3. India. Smallholder farmers are adopting smartphone-based tools to access weather forecasts and market prices. Challenges and the road ahead. While digital agriculture holds immense promise, there are challenges to address. 1. High initial costs. Advanced equipment and software can be expensive. 2. Digital literacy. Farmers may need training to effectively use these technologies. 3. Connectivity issues. Rural areas might lack the necessary internet infrastructure. Despite these hurdles, continuous innovations and increased accessibility are driving the future of precision farming. Conclusion. Digital and precision agriculture is more than a trend, it's the future of food production. By harnessing technology, farmers can grow more food, waste fewer resources, and contribute to a more sustainable planet. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content on agricultural innovations. What do you think about the future of tech in farming? Let us know in the comments below. Seedling Sparkles.